Hello everyone. Today we learn gardening tools in English. Shovel,
Shovel,
used to dig soil. Spade,
spade,
used to dig and turn soil. Rake,
rake,
used to collect leaves. Hoe,
hoe,
used to remove weeds. Trowel,
trowel,
used to plant small plants. Watering can,
watering can,
used to water plants. Garden hose,
garden hose,
used to spray water. Spray bottle,
spray bottle,
used to mist plants. Pruning shears,
running shears,
used to cut branches. Garden scissors,
garden scissors,
used to cut plants. Gloves,
gloves,
used to protect hands. Wheelbarrow,
wheelbarrow,
used to carry soil. Garden fork,
garden fork,
used to loosen soil. Hand fork,
hand fork,
used to break soil. Hand rake,
hand rake,
used to clean soil. Plant pot,
plant pot,
used to grow plants. Seed tray,
seed tray,
used to grow seeds. Seeds,
seeds,
used to grow plants. Soil,
soil,
used to plant seeds. Compost,
compost,
used to feed plants. Mulch,
mulch,
used to keep soil moist. Garden net,
garden net,
used to protect plants. Plant label,
plant label,
used to name plants. Garden twine,
garden twine,
used to tie plants. Bucket,
bucket,
used to carry water. Kneeling pad,
kneeling pad,
used to sit while gardening. Garden sprayer,
garden sprayer,
used to spray water. Dibber,
dibber,
used to make holes in soil. Sun hat,
sun hat,
used to protect from sun.